Welcome to our exploration of how to edit PDF files for free. Today, we're diving into the world of no-cost PDF editing software, uncovering top tools to enhance your documents without breaking the bank. Let's get started. To get started, visit the provided website or find the link in the description. After installation, launch PDFgear to access its intuitive interface. Here, you'll find common actions at the top, such as PDF to Word conversion and file compression. You can also merge or split PDFs easily. Explore all available tools for comprehensive PDF manipulation. With PDFgear, managing PDFs becomes effortless. Simply open your file and begin editing. This opens my PDF, where I'm currently crafting the journey of the Edarabia. I've received a draft from my publisher. At the top, you'll find various menus, each offering associated tools. Let's explore some commonly used ones for PDF editing. On the Home tab, you'll find controls to adjust document fit, view actual size, or fit to page. A useful feature is Auto Scroll, aiding document reading with adjustable speed. Slideshow mode enhances PDF consumption. Another handy tool is OCR, enabling text extraction from images. Overall, the interface appears bright at the moment. The interface currently appears quite bright. In the top right corner, I'll click on the icon, where I can switch it to dark mode. Much easier on the eyes. However, upon second thought, I actually prefer the light theme. So, I'll return to the menu and toggle back to the light theme. Looks much better. Now, I need to make some revisions before sending it back to the publisher. Let's check for any necessary corrections. Here's one. It states we were founded in the year 2007, but it should be 2005. I'll make a comment by selecting the comment tools. I'll highlight the text 2007 in yellow to draw attention, then add a note above requesting the change to 2005. Now that I've entered my note, I can close it. I'll position the note directly over 2007 so it's easily noticeable. Clicking on the icon reveals the note for the publisher to see. Moving on, as I make modifications, I want to clearly mark this as a draft. Let's navigate back to the top. In the comments section, I can insert a stamp. Choosing from preset options, I'll select the draft stamp. Placing it prominently on the document, I can adjust its size for clarity. Perhaps centering it on the page ensures it won't be overlooked. Regarding the title, I believe there's room for improvement. Describing it as the Journey of Edarabia feels more appropriate. To edit the text, I'll access the Edit tools and select Edit Text. I now notice a rectangle outlining all editable text in the PDF. Scrolling down, it's evident that I can modify any text throughout. Let's return to the title where I want to replace History with Journey up top. I can adjust the font, making it bold, italics, or change the color and size. For now, this adjustment suffices. Exiting the editing mode, I'll save the changes. The title now appears satisfactory. However, the logo is outdated. To rectify this, I'll select the image file and utilize the edit icon on the right. After clicking delete, confirming the removal, I'm left with a blank space. Within the edit menu, I'll choose to add an image and select the new logo. Adjusting its size and placement, it now sits neatly in the center. Let's proceed to the end of the PDF. Clicking on the icon navigates us to the bottom. Here, I've added a page expressing gratitude to our customers. Their support has been instrumental in the company's growth. I'd also like to include a signature. Under the Edit option, there's a feature to insert a signature. Upon selection, a dialog opens with various options. You can upload a picture of your signature, remove the background if needed, type your name, or manually write it with a touchscreen or mouse. I'll opt to type my signature. Entering ABC doesn't resemble a signature, so I'll change the font to a script style for authenticity. Now, I can place my signature in the document. It looks perfect. Let's save the document progress. I'll select the icon and proceed to save the PDF while flattening it. It might be more logical to relocate the thank you page to the beginning of the book rather than the end. Considering the uncertainty about readers completing the entire story, it seems prudent. In the toolbar, I'll navigate to the Page option, which offers various functionalities like extracting, deleting, or inserting pages, including PDFs, Word documents, or images. I'll adjust the page position by dragging the thank you page from the end to right after the title page. Confirming the reordering, I now have the revised sequence. Before sending the book to the publisher, I'd like to add a summary for the back cover. Returning to the Home tab, I'll explore the PDFgear Copilot, an AI-powered tool that might assist. If the pane isn't visible, it can be accessed via the icon in the bottom right corner. Clicking on it opens up this panel. Let's test its usefulness by initiating a chat. This panel provides sample prompts for interacting with the AI. For instance, it can summarize the PDF file, among other commands you can give it. Additionally, you can input prompts directly to the AI below. Since I only need a summary, I'll select that option to see if it can summarize the document. The response is nearly instantaneous, and the summary appears satisfactory. I believe this will suffice to share with the publisher. With the edits completed, it's time to send it back to the publisher, who prefers a Word document. In the toolbar, I'll select Tools and choose the option to convert the PDF. When selected, you'll find a variety of file formats available for converting your PDF. At the top, there's the option to convert the PDF to Word. Upon clicking, I see the conversion option. While it's possible to bulk convert multiple files, I only need to convert this one, and the selected range appears appropriate. Clicking Convert below, the conversion process is successful, and I now have a Word document. Moving on. I'd like to save a copy of this PDF for myself. But it contains numerous images, which may result in a large file size. Therefore, I'd like to compress it to reduce its size. Accessing the Tools menu, I'll navigate to the compression option on the left-hand side. Upon clicking, a dialog box appears presenting the option to compress the file. Additionally, there's an option to add more files for bulk compression, but I only need to compress this one. I've selected it, and now I can choose the compression level. Opting for high compression ensures the smallest file size possible. After confirming the output path, I'll proceed to compress. Remarkably, the original file size of 602 kilobytes has been reduced to 174 kilobytes, significantly saving space. This is particularly useful when dealing with multiple PDFs. Closing the dialog in the top right corner, the PDF is now ready. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. Enjoy editing your PDFs, free of charge. Thanks for joining us on our exploration of the best free PDF editor. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more content.